Okay, so mayong gabi, Barangay Salvacion. Mayong gabi. Tawaan. Mayong gabi.
Salvacion!
Okay, before ako mag-introduce sa aton ng Board of Judges, mangayo ko na sa katahuran sang amay sang sininga barangay, the Honorable Joseph Bernal Cap, mayong gabi, kagaupod man sang iyang mga SB member o dasang kuni ang barangay members. And of course, sa mga teachers, headed by ang akong nga abyan, Sir Joseph Dasigo, and of course, sa akong mga kaupod ng mga PTA officers. Mayong gabi sa inyo madalang. Tonight, my task is to introduce to you our Board of Judges. Our first judge is a single. Was born on September 5, 1996. Is a native of Barangay Kamambugan, Balasan, Iloilo. Graduated cum laude from Iloilo Science and Technology University with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science in April 2017. Currently studying Master of Arts in Teaching, major in Science at Northern Iloilo State University. Presently, for 6 years and 11 months, has been teaching grade 10 students at Balasan National High School. Our first judge is no other than Ma'am Day Claire C. Daniel. Our second judge is an Administrative Officer 2 of Schools District of Balasan. Is no other than Sir Gabriel A. Cuatres. Our third judge is a native of Daihagan, Carles, Iloilo, married and graduated at Centro Escolar University at AB Moscow, major in broadcasting. Is an entrepreneur, owner of Z-Oil gas station at Abong, Carles, Iloilo. Our third judge, Ma'am Zene Nicolasora. Our third judge, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Admissions, major in Business Management at Manila Central University. Licensed teacher, majoring in Business Technology at Northern Iloilo State University, Estancia. A WOPIC President of Philippine Independent Church, Balasan, Iloilo. A farmer, an entrepreneur, and a housewife. Our very own Inday Eden Borbon Tiquilla. And our Chief Judge is a native of Barangay Maya, Balasan, Iloilo. Is the son of Mr. Mike Balderona and Mrs. Rose Balderona. He is graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, magna cum laude, at West Visayas State University in 2015. A graduate of Master in Public Governance at West Visayas State University, Center of Public Governance in 2017. A graduate of Bachelor of Laws, cum laude at Central Philippine University College of Law in 2021. A professor and lecturers at Central Philippine University Social Science Department and former member of West Visayas State University Debate Society. Champion, including Best Debater and Best Speakers Award. CES Taksanay, West Visayas State University 2014. He was crowned as Mr. CPU 2019, Mr. Iloilo City 2014, and Mr. Balasan National High School 2010. And also our very own attorney.